Thank you, everybody. Good morning. My name is Philip Wright. I'm the CEO of Kapio. After this presentation, the Kapio team comprised of myself, Brian, Benoit, and Casper Lorenzen will be waiting in the huddle space, happy to receive your questions. What is Kapio? Kapio is a next-generation digital data capture and reporting solution for the construction sector. It has been designed to digitize entire reporting processes. As you're aware, governments and industry are pressuring the government sector to embrace emerging digital technology to be more productive, transparent, and competitive. The platform was built to help companies convert paper-based processes into digital. The system can capture data at source and deliver it into easy-to-use dynamic dashboards. The digital workflows enable transparent approval processes throughout the project supply chain. Project stakeholders can then view, manage, collaborate, report, share, analyze, and store their data in the cloud up and down the supply chain. Users can report in any combination of 20 languages over multiple projects and multicultural teams, minimizing loss and translation issues. For construction contractors, having real-time data in digital forms means reduced reporting costs, faster analysis, fewer contract disputes, more control, greater collaboration, quicker payments, and greater profits. How did we get here? Well, started in Copenhagen on the City Ringen, which I believe has already been mentioned earlier. It was established in 2016. There was multilingual teams working on the site. There was many language issues when filling out field reports, while the contract language is in English. Maintaining accurate communication between the teams was a real problem. Field reports had to be generated daily. All data was in paper format, which was then had to be converted into Word, Excel, PDF, so reporting processes were prone to error. It was extremely time-consuming because processes were analog. It was difficult to manage teams, to identify problems and trends, and by the time the data was available, it was already out of date. Myself and Casper decided to look at ways to digitize these processes and built a digital reporting platform in 2016. The solution: data in a raw digital format. Contractors can access and export data to feed other data-driven software, including BIM, AI, to improve decision-making. Real-time data capture from site to the office on any device. They can capture all data, multilingual setup, review workflows, audit trail logs. Dynamic dashboards. Teams can analyze and share collected data in real time using dynamic dashboards to identify bottlenecks, trends, and problems. It's an example of one of our dashboards. What do we offer? How are we different? We offer field reporting. It's overlooked and it's data rich, meaning it solves an immediate problem now and in the process encaps other business opportunities in the future. We digitize analogous processes at source. There is no requirement for PDFs and silos. All customer field data is digital, so clients can push, pull into their other software. For example, Primavera, P6 or Dynamo. The platform is future-proof for new data-enriched technologies like AI and machine learning. The platform offers 20 languages. Vietnamese teams can report in their language to an Italian office, all comms are translated. And finally, allow construction companies to use their data for untapped value. Project-wide solutions in multiple languages. So, project control, digital workflows, contract deliverables, digital reporting dashboards, digital quality system, digital safety system, BIM management, synchronized data, document management, mail, bids and tenders, and cost management. The last four are under review. Probably we're going to develop APIs into legacy software. Pricing is disruptive. Flat fee structure is a low entry point and is fully flexible. Pricing appeals across the multiple spectrum for sole builders to subcontractors, main contractors, clients, insurance companies and financiers. Each subscription can be used on multiple projects, which drives down overall costs. Campaigns and initiatives. We're currently working with the EFFC, which is European Federation of Foundation Contractors. It's a trade body. It's a proposal to deliver a special promotion to all 360 member companies. We've also been requested to form part of their digital task working group. Metis Plan, there are planning and scheduling experts. We share common collaboration areas of field data and as-built visualizations, 4D BIM, and for things like dispute resolution visualizations. Charden Holscher-Wasserbau, these are a dewatering contractor, and the project here is to deliver Kapio platform into their legacy software and use it as a central point of reporting. And SoilMech, some of you may be familiar, a major groundworks plant manufacturer based out of Italy. We're exploring Kapio as a means of capturing machine data. Current and past clients, the ones there really that are interested is the Trevi Group. We've worked with Trevi on with Trevi and Metisplan actually together. We pumped data into some of the software that Metisplan was using. It was used in an actual arbitration case. So Kapio Cloud can be used across these industry standard contracts: FIDIC, NEC, JCT, which is more relevant to the UK, AB 293, which is Scandinavian based, and then bespoke trade construction contracts. Competitive advantage: first to market, software supports data-rich solutions like BIM, AI, and robotics. It's a customizable platform. Projects can easily be set up to fit any contract deliverable that may be required. It's multilingual. Multi-language platforms allow global multilingual projects teams to communicate accurately in real time. Unlimited projects. Users can set up unlimited projects in the cloud, which lowers costs for companies when used across multiple projects. It's affordable. It's a low entry point for sole proprietors and SME teams, and it's scalable. Equally supports SMEs to enterprise level construction organizations, legacy to digital systems. Our competition, well, here we've used 4 metrics, very simple. We've used affordability, we've used analog, we've used expensive, and we've used digital. And we've tried to position ourselves with what we perceive as our competitors. And we think we're probably about here. To go to market, direct sales. So portfolio choice: when Kapio Cloud has been used on one project, we hope the customer rolls out the remaining portfolio. Supply chain growth, things like the EFFC, which I mentioned earlier, things like the collaboration with Trevi, things like the collaboration with Holscher Charden. Press and testimonials, we've been in the BIM Plus magazine last year. The link is there for anyone to see it. Project managers from Emmanuel Leratoni, from ICOP, David Watkins, CEO, former. Key features and benefits, very quick. This just summarises everything that we've been through, and it's there for everyone to see. The team, myself there, Peter Coleman gives us some legal acumen. Casper Lorenzen is the Chief Operating Officer. Brian is our Chief Marketing Officer. David Watkins is an advisor, former McKinsey. Benoit Couve is our Chief Technical Officer, and Runa Helsinghoff, Cybersecurity Specialist. For contact details, you've got Brian with his email address there, and myself there, again with my email and contact details. I'm happy to take any questions in the huddle space. Thank you very much.